In this video, you are going to see how to circle a word in Google Slide. As you can see here, let's get started. We can apply two methods. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, go to Shapes and choose an oval shape and hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this to make a circle. Now there is a gray color. Click on it. Go to this option Fill Color, make it transparent. Now if you want to change the border color, you can change it from here. Even you can change the border white. Now if you want to add the text, click on right button and click on Edit Text and you can put the text here. There is another method. Go to Insert, go to Text Box and drag it over here and let us write the text. Now let us decrease the size of the text box. Click on the text, put it in the center and in the middle. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, go to Shapes, choose an oval shape and hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Go to over here, Fill Color, make it transparent. Now place it like this. Now if you want to group them together, select everything using your mouse, click on right button, go to Group. Now you can move the text and the circle very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.